Say hi from Cherish Math. This is the problem here. Find the exact value of x based on this diagram with a circle and two chords intersecting each other. Before I start solving the problem, this is the theorem that I'm going to use. Stated that when two chords intersect as shown, then A times B equal C times D. And this is what going to be by using 5 times 13 equal x plus 1 times x plus 1. And we try to expand the equation here. That would be x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal 65. I'm going to bring 65 to the left, and that turns minus 64 equals 0. Now, in this problem, I will have to use the quadratic formula to solve it. And this is the quadratic formula. The value of A belongs to 1. This is the value of B, and negative 64 is the value of the C. By substituting each of the value here into this quadratic formula, the x is equal to negative 2 plus minus 2 squared is 4 minus 4. A is 1, so I will just have to leave it in the 1, and C is negative 64 divided by 2 times 1 is just 2. Now, the value of the x is now negative 2 plus minus 2 square root of 65 divided by 2. And the final value for the x, it can only exist in the form of positive number. Now, when looking at this, negative 2 minus 2 square root of 65 divided by 2, it is in fact in the form of negative. So, the only one that we can accept here is positive. That would be negative 1 plus the square root of 65, which is a positive number. So this is the only answer that we are accepting. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.